real short video here. Simsalabim. For my trucks at the Big Rig Junkyard today. Got a Hadley, sorry. It's missing the mute, but that was $5. I got a set of Grovers. Been painted over, but they're going underneath my truck, so I could really care less. Since I don't have an air source in the house, we're going with Wawa Air. PSI. We now know they work. Let's get some real pressure behind them. See how they do.